Okay, there we are.
For the different perspectives. Yeah. So Mortisar and Spreader Dragon, also known as usernames. I'm Mortisar.
I am lagging.
Don't break the gravel yet.
Oops.
Oh wait, I need to start. Wow.
What is down there?
What?
Is it deep? Whee! It's not that deep.
Get up.
I'm up. Oh, whoa! I'm gonna get out of the water. I don't feel safe in the water with lightning. Oh, hello, zombies. What? Okay. Hello. Sorry, my brother was yelling at me. I was too loud. How are we supposed to get down there without dying?
Yeah, it's actually pretty easy to watch.
Me.
And you need to fall down right here. Right?
Okay.
No, I know easy.
Ah.
I'll grab that.
Yeah. Can you TP?
Just TP. Just TP. Oh my god, I'm at heaven.
Do the TP commands work?
There.
Oh. I have my stuff.
I'm gonna give him a call, teacher.
Diamond hoe.
Okay, I'm just gonna keep the melons, alright?
Okay, give me the wood at least. And give me my clock. My clock. What's in this chest?
I'll get this. No.
Flint and steel is mine. Cake is mine too.
The armor, you need to make a small armor.
I know. This wood is also mine.
Make us small. Make us all armor except for one. That's the.
Okay, so
But you know, probably farther in the series, we're just gonna rage quit. It gets extremely hard.
it's
We're not rage quitting until we beat this. Dude!
sandstone.
I'm gonna show the Vex that we can beat this man.
This isn't by Vex. I'm like, why isn't it working?
Dude and Vex mixed together means ultimate trickiness. Yeah, Lifehold and
Okay, that is just weird. I can't place it. Can someone else play it? For some reason, it just keeps disappearing. Oh, there it is. It stays.
It's because we're too close to, since we're close to spawn there. I need to opt because this is new server.
Oh, okay. Leather man pants.
What's the victory map? Here is where you place blocks.
It's a small one. Okay, there.
Ooh,
Don't give me your leather pants. I don't want your man pants.
the man pants.
Stop giving them to me.
We're not giving them to you. Oh, look at this funny thing. It's a victory map eliminated. I know, dude. Wait, I just got a pants.
Set. Whoa, what the?
TGIF. It's not even. Alright, you know what?
Okay, go pick those up.
TGIS. Thank God. It's Saturday, Abby. And we'll switch it for every day. We'll switch it for every day. Make us some manly. Like, make us manly foods for. No. Yeah. Make us manly foods for.
Okay,
Alright, let's go.
hold on. Let me put on my stuff. Okay, hold on. I'm all ready. I've got a stone sword. Are we just gonna set our spawn here, or should I take the? I'm gonna take the crafting table.
Just in case.
Give.
I know where the well, I pretty much know where half the monument is, so.
Cheater. String.
Oh, you see, there's already a skeleton. Ooh,
Where?
skeleton. Down here.
It's lagging.
Yeah, spawn constant.
I'm gonna stand back here.
You're like glitching. Hey, you need
I know. I'm gonna come back here. I think I did. Did it blow up?
Yeah, blew up.
That was a good idea. That's ooh. You have a lava bucket. Light it up. I'm not going into you. Light it up. I can't see anything. I'm afraid. Okay, I'm just gonna run for it. Ouch.
Go to the side, side.
Sides. Going to sides.
Over here. Glitching me up. How am I glitching you up?
Oh, whoa.
Over here, follow me.
Well, I couldn't see a thing.
It's not his fault.
Not my fault. Oh, whoa.
I think you should survive it.
Not my fault. Someone pushed me in. Yes, you.
What? I'm not even close to you guys.
It was you, DJ. I'm gonna die. Okay, maybe not.
You survived.
I survived.
Take the first ball.
Okay, don't blame me. DJ went right in after me.
Yeah, guys. We're gonna be trying to do a whole episode. Come on. Go.
I'm just gonna wait up here until I get enough health.
See, I think, yeah. Thus, I have. We're gonna be like doing 2-on-1 rules video. We're trying to. We're gonna be thus. I have the. Thus, there's a. I'm just gonna say thus.
Skelly.
There's a skeleton. Right.
Hehe.
There we go. Ow, you pushed me.
We should start a let's play just off of a survival map.
We're gonna be ending the episode soon.
Yeah.
Once we place this wall, we're gonna end it. Oh, we're so-
Yeah.
We're gonna end the episode.
No, it's so close. Are we just gonna record? Oh,
We go Enderman Charlie. Yeah, we go Enderman Charlie. Sure, FYI. Well, that's kind of a teaser for one of our episodes that
this confused. TGIF.
I will place the epic light blue wool, and I'll also
Yay!
can you place the crafting bench? So I guess we'll see you guys next time.
Yeah.
Some more 404 challenge.
Woo! First wool.
See you guys next time.
Bye bye.